Have you ever wanted to write a nonfiction book? A memoir, perhaps? Or a health-related advice book? How about self-help?
In this session, we're going to go over how to find what your readers want to read and find the overlap between what you hope to write and what the reader's expectations are.
The first time I did this, it took only 67 days to go from my final draft through 2 professional edits and a killer cover design to being uploaded on all platforms and available for sale everywhere.
No matter how tranquil your specialty may be, you can write a medical thriller.
In this course, we'll discuss what an op-ed is, various approaches to structuring a piece, resources to help you research where to place op-eds, how to pitch an op-ed, and just as important, how to follow up on those pitches.
I've published 20 novels and 25 novellas with 4 writing awards in fantasy, thrillers, and romantic suspense under the pseudonym C.B. Samet. I love writing action-adventure with happy endings.
I'm going to be teaching you why and how leveraging social media can make you a more successful author.
We're going to go over some of the differences between adult and children's books, including writing, illustration, editing, self-publishing, and marketing.
Did you know you can publish your book even if it's not finished yet and get paid while writing it? I'm Dr. Maria Sembra, a multi-genre award-winning author, and I'll take you through it step by step.
In my talk, we'll be discussing what exactly is medical writing, the benefits of a career in medical writing, and steps you can take if you're interested in becoming a medical writer.
I'm going to use everything I learned in Hollywood to teach you about the nature of structure, narrative, and storytelling.
And I hope to show you how literary aptitude translates to medical settings, and how it just might hold the key to reconnecting you with the purpose that drew you to medicine.
I will teach you how to market yourself as a health and medical expert so you can earn money as a freelancer.
We'll talk about famous main characters like Luke Skywalker, Harry Potter, Elizabeth Bennet from Pride and Prejudice, and dissect what makes them great and how we can use that information to create our own story-worthy heroes that readers will love and root for.
I'm excited to share all of this with you and more.